Solve square root of 9999 square plus 19999. This can be written as 9999 square plus 2 times 9999 plus 1, because 2 times 9999 is equals to 19998 plus 1 means 19999. So this can be written as square root of 9999 square plus 2 times 9999 multiply 1 means same, plus 1 can be written as 1 square. It looks like a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a plus b whole square. So this can be written as a. Here a means 9999 plus b means 1 whole square, which equals to 10,000 whole square. Square and root are cancelled, which equals to 10,000.